Hi students, Happy New Year to all. Today we are going to learn fifth poem, The Secret of the Machines. This poem is written by Rudyard Kipling. This is memory poem. The poem talks about the problems faced in the modern technology. The unquestioned utility of man-made invention is highlighted. Let's see author introduction. He was born in December 30, 1865 in Bombay, India. He was educated in England. Though he was educated in England, his passion towards India and its culture, and returned to India in the year 1882. And his famous work seems to be The Jungle Book, which is written in the year 1894. He has been recipient of the 1907 Nobel Prize in Literature. Recipient means receive. He passed away in the year 1936. What do you understand from the title? The secret of the machine. The secrets hidden in the machines. How they are made, how they are helpful to us like that. Name some machines used at home. Electronic appliances like mixie, washing machine, fridge, etc. How are they made? Yes, they are made with metals such as iron, copper, aluminium, etc. From where did they get all these metals? From rocks and soil. This poem consists of 5 stanzas and each stanza contains 4 lines. This poem is in the form of autobiography. What is autobiography? One who writes about oneself. In this poem, the machines speak about themselves to human beings. Who are the speakers?
Machines are the speakers.
Who are the listeners? The human beings.
The Secret of the Machines.
Written by
Rudyard Kipling.
We were taken from the ore bed and the mine. We were melted in the furnace and the pit. We were cast and wrought and hammered to design. We were cut and filed and tooled and caged to fit. In the first stanza, the poet tells us how machines are made and what kind of treatment they need. We refers to machines. Machines, they were taken from the ore bed and from the gold mines. So ore bed means a stratum of rocks. And they were melted and heated and they were molded in a pit. By using hammer, the steel is being shaped into a machine. The machines were cut and they were checked whether it is fit for working process or not. Then they come to the market for sale. What is furnace? An enclosed structure in which material is heated to very high temperatures. Wrought, beaten out of shape by hammering. Cage, an instrument that measures perfection in appearance and quality. In the second stanza, some water, coal and oil is all we ask, and a thousandth of an inch to give us play. And now, if you will set us to our task, we will serve you 24 hours a day. What are the things that made machine to work for a long process is just some water, coal, oil. So they ask only for the 3 things. And a thousandth of an inch to give us play. A thousandth, which is 1 by 1000, when you divide something into 1000, from that only one part is taking about here. So what they ask is 1 by 1000 place to stay. The machine is for working and then people started assuming a task, started giving a task they serve. How can they serve by 24 hours a day? The poet stresses that 4 and 20. 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. So we serve you every day, each and every minute of a life. We can pull and haul and push and lift and drive. We can print and plow and weave and heat and light. We can run and race and swim and fly and dive. We can see and hear and count and read and write. That stanza, the machines explain how they can serve to us. They tell about their functionings in various fields. This stanza talks about the capability, the ability of machine.
The machines can pull and haul in great loads. For example, steam engine. Machines can push and lift in heavy loads. For example, grain, lift, etc.
They can print, for example, printing machines also. And plow, a farmer used to plowing ground. Here, a machine can performing the task, weaving and heating and providing light. So, machine can run, they can participate in race.
Machines can run in automobiles. For example, car race, bike race, etc. Machines can swim in the ship and flying airplanes and dive in submarines.
See and hear and count and read and write. So here it is stressed exclamation. Why come the particular line alone exclamated? Because seeing, hearing, counting, reading, writing, it comes together with a man. When you go for the 3 lines before it, pulling, pushing, printing, everything is done by machine or some certain process. But here only the human being has naturally power to see, count, read and write. But even machines, it's created by a man, it performs a work even that man cannot do. That's why the exclamatory here. But remember, please, the law by which we live, we are not built to comprehend a lie. We can neither love nor pity nor forgive. If you make a slip in handling us, you die. In the 4th stanza, the machines alert the human beings what will happen if they are mishandled. We have to remember something. What's that? Here the machine pleases us to remember the law by which they live. They have certain laws. So we have to remember it while we are handling. The word law is stressed the capital letter. It talks about the significance of law. What's that law? The machine cannot ever lie. It does not know how to lie. It can never have sympathize, love. It can never forgive anything. When we fail to handling the machine, our life will be spoiled, not machine life. So we have to use a machine in particular stressed form. 5th stanza. Though our smoke may hide the heavens from your eyes, it will vanish and the stars will shine again. Because for all our power and weight and size, we are nothing more than children of your brain. The smoke comes from the machine may hide the heavens from our eyes. Heaven means sky embedded with stars. After some time, it will vanish. Vanish means disappear. It refers to smoke. After that, they can enjoy again shining stars in the sky. Even though machines are powerful weight and size. The machines surrender human being. They said comparing human being, we are nothing. Because human brain only invents powerful machines. So the machine considered that they are children of human brain. Students, I hope you all understood the poem. Furnace, an enclosed structure in which material is heated to very high temperatures. Wrought, beaten out of shape by hammering. Cage, an instrument that measures perfection in appearance and quality. Thousandth, a fraction of thousand. Haul, pull or drag with effort or force. Comprehend, grasp, understand. Vanish, disappear suddenly and completely. Poetic devices in the poem. First stanza, rhyming words, mind, design, pit, fit. The rhyming scheme of the poem A B A B. We were, that is anaphora. Alliterated words. We were cast and wrought and hammered to design. We were wrought. We were cut and filed and tooled and caged to fit. Filed, fit. Second stanza, rhyming words. Ask, task. Play, day. Rhyming scheme. A B A B. And a thousandth of an inch to give us play. Hyperbole. Some water, coal, and oil is all we ask. All ask. A. Assonance. Third stanza, rhyming words. Drive, dive. Light, right. Rhyming scheme A B A B. These 4-line personification. Pull, haul, push, lift, drive, print, plow, weave, heat, light, run and race, swim and fly, drive, see and hear and count and read and write. So these 4 lines are personification. And imagery is we can see and hear and count and read and write. Stated words. We can pull and haul and push and lift and drive. Pull, push. We can print and plow and weave and hear, heat and light. Print, plow. We can run and race. R. We can see and hear and count. Can, count. See. Fourth stanza, rhyming words. Live, forgive. Lie, die. Rhyme scheme A B A B. We are not built to comprehend a lie. Personification. We can neither love nor pity nor forgive. Personification. Alliterated words. But remember please the law by which we live. Law, live. Which we. We can neither love nor pity nor forgive. Neither nor. Fifth stanza, rhyming words. Eyes, size. Again, brain. Rhyme scheme A B A B. Though our smoke may hide the heavens from your eyes. That is connotation. We are nothing more than children of your brain. So these lines, personification and hyperbole. Though our smoke may hide the heavens from your eyes. Alliterated words. Hide heavens. It will vanish and the stars will shine again. Stars shine. This is memory poem. Be thorough of the poem. Study short answers paragraph given in the PDF. Thank you.